This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing essentials so the sign-up runs smoothly. Make sure your phone is charged and on Wi-Fi to avoid data loss, and have an alternate email or phone ready for recovery. Now open Settings and tap Accounts, or launch the Google app and press Create Account. Choosing the right starting point matters because the interface differs by phone. Once you tap Create Account, you'll move straight into entering name and birth date to establish identity and age verification. Next, you'll build the actual account. You enter your full name and birth date so Google can set appropriate account features. Make sure details match recovery contacts. Then choose a username. If your first choice is taken, add numbers or a middle initial, but keep it memorable. Create a strong password of at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols. Once done, confirm it and tap Next. You'll also accept privacy options and proceed to phone verification for security. Finally, verify and complete setup so you can use Google services. You'll receive an SMS code or email link. Enter the code quickly to confirm the account. Make sure to review privacy and personalization settings, toggle activity controls, and add preferences to match your comfort level. Once verified, sign into the Play Store and Gmail, enable contact backup, and set up two-step verification for extra security. If verification fails, retry sending the code, check network, and confirm the phone number format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.